Hi mateys, hope you're all doing well. Happy Saturday. So I am here because I'm about to finish my makeup for the day, but the other day on TikTok I saw one of the creators promoting and sharing this amazing product that's so quirky. I've never seen it before and I thought I've just got to buy that and try it. So it is the Eloise Eternal 3D Rose Blush and Glow, but it's in the shape of a petal head. How amazing is this? So you touch the petals have got the blush on them. So it comes in the super cute tint, you can see. That is your blush. So here we go, finger swatch. Oh my god, we've got to give this a try. So the shade I've gone for is Plum Passion because I'm liking the darker vibes lately. They do a beautiful pink freesia. Very pink. So your brush just taps. Okay. What the actual fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Blend. Right, we'll do it again on the other side. Tap it. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Blend that out. One minute. So, sorry, I had to go and blend that out off camera because it's frigging stunning. What I also saw this creator do is she touched this and she went here, here. Oh my god. What the actual hell? This is gotta be the cutest and quirkiest makeup product that I have ever seen. I think they do about 3 or 4 other shades. I'll put the link below and let you try for yourself, but wow.